A tuning fork vibrates at 264 Hz. Find the length of the shortest closed pipe that will resonate with the tuning fork, given the speed of sound in air is 350 meter per second. For closed pipe, resonant frequency F is equal to NV by 4L, where V is the velocity of sound, L length of the closed pipe. N can have values 1, 3, 5, etc. To resonate with the given tuning fork, NV by 4L should be equal to 264 Hz. Now L is equal to NV by 4 into 264. Instead of V, we can substitute 350 meter per second. Now for L to be minimum, N should be equal to 1. So substitute N is equal to 1 here. Now we get L is equal to 1 into 350 by 4 into 264. This is equal to 0.33 meter or 33 centimeter.